my creatively intelligent and amazing artists. Welcome back to art class. Today we are going to be creating a cactus family drawing. Now we're starting with our flower pot. Now for the flower pot, you're going to do a horizontal line. Make sure that the ends are curved coming down. Then we're going to use a horizontal line to meet both lines. You're doing a great job so far, guys. Then we're going to add our diagonal lines on each side and use a horizontal line to close the diagonal line. Now on the pot, I am going to be doing my design, but if you want to do a different design, that is okay. There is nothing wrong with doing a different design, or you can do the one that I have, whichever way works for you. For the first row of my design, I'm going to add some rainbow lines, just a nice little pattern going all the way to the end. In the second row, I'm going to add another line across, another horizontal lines, and add some circles so that I can have a polka dot vibe. In the next row, I'm going to add some smaller circles. Remember, you do not have to add the same patterns like mine. You can do something different. In the last row, I'm going to add numerous curved lines radiating, so they're getting bigger as they go along. So you can do it like this, or you can do something different. It is up to you. There are different types of cactuses, and I'm going to show you how you can draw the different ones. So you can draw any one that you like. This is how you draw the different ones. We're using a combination of curved lines and straight lines to get our different cactuses. You can use any of these cactus to represent your family. Now I'm ready to draw my cactus family. So I'm going to start with a rainbow line, and inside the rainbow line I'm adding curved lines. Remember, you can do a different type of cactus. It's up to you. I also added a hair, and I'm going to add some nice cute little animated eyes. You can do your eyes however you'd like. You can do them like this. It is up to you. Just remember to be as creative as you can be. I love how your baby cactus is looking so far. It looks amazing, especially your colorful pot. Remember, let's just be creative. Now I'm adding my spine. to my cactus. And yes, I said spine. Now your spine are some V shapes, and those are the pointed things that can stick you. I'm now drawing my daddy cacti. Remember, if you want to draw your grandma, your granddad, anyone that you want to join your family as a cacti, that is fine. Just remember to be creative, and the most important thing is to have fun. For his mustache, I'm using a lowercase m or the shape of a bird. And I'm curving my lines at the end, bringing them in like I'm making a W and joining it. Remember, you can do your mustache however you like, and you can draw your mouth however you like, as long as you're having fun. Don't forget to add your eyelashes. Now I'm going to give my daddy cacti a nice hairdo using a combination of curved lines and zigzag lines. Don't forget to add your spines. You can add as many as you like. Now it's time to draw the mommy cactus. Remember, it can be your mom, it can be your aunt, it can be any cactus that you want it to be. And again, we are repeating the steps of drawing our curved lines coming down. We're going to add some nice eyes. 2 nice eyes. You can do your eyes however you like. A nice smiley face. Yes. And don't forget your tongue. And 2 rosy cheeks. Don't forget to add your spines. And your spines are small V shapes. Now I'm going to add a beautiful flower to my mommy cactus. You can draw a flower of your choice, or you can do this flower. Just remember to be creative. Now let's give our mommy cactus a nice hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and trace my cactus and my flower pot to make it a bit brighter. If you don't have a marker, you do not have to trace yours. It is up to you. I'm going to add 2 lines to the side, and that represents my table. Yes, guys, we are finished, and now we are ready to color. Yeah. So I'm starting with my green, and I'm starting with a light green. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always pause the video. To get my cactus to look 3D, I'm going to add a darker green. So I'm creating a shadow behind the baby cactus, which will be showing on the daddy cactus. Wherever I have dark curved lines, I'm going to add the darker green. You can always pause the video and match the colors. here I'm going to use yellow. You can use another color if you like. And I'm going to add orange to the yellow so that I can get a 3D look. Now I'm going to repeat the steps on the baby cactus. If you do not have more than one green, a dark green or a light green, you can press lightly on the colored pencil or your crayon, color lightly with it, and to get the darker areas you can press a bit harder on your crayon. For the hair on my baby cactus, I'm going to use a light orange. And then to give a 3D look, I'm going to apply the color red. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always pause the video. Wow guys, your cactus family looks amazing. Now I'm going to color my pot. You can choose whatever color you want for your flower pot. Your artwork looks amazing, and I had fun with you in art class today. See you next time. Bye.